how to set a PIN lock for your Samsung blockchain wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the Samsung blockchain wallet. Then go back to the wallet homepage. Next, tap on the More button at the top here. Then tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we go down and tap on Lock App. Tap on the toggle button. Then set a PIN. So here I'll set the PIN 1, 2, 3, 4. Then enter in the same PIN again to confirm. Next, we can verify with a PIN or a fingerprint. And that's it. So we have now set a PIN for the blockchain wallet. So if you open up your blockchain wallet, it will ask for a password. So if I close that and we open blockchain wallet, it will now ask to use a PIN, or I can unlock it with fingerprint. And that is how you can set a PIN lock for your blockchain wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video.